Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Chrome and preparing the environment so results are predictable. First, close extra windows and tabs. This isolates the zoom behavior. Once done, check Chrome's version via menu help about Google Chrome so you know whether updates matter. Then disable extensions from menu More Tools extensions because extensions often override zoom or font settings. Make sure to keep one test tab open and note the current zoom percentage before you proceed to calibration. Now adjust Chrome's zoom and appearance settings directly so you fix the root cause. Use menu zoom to set the tab to 100% or press Ctrl plus 0, CMD plus 0, to reset quickly. This fixes pages that were manually enlarged. Next, clear any site-specific zoom in Settings Appearance where per-site zoom can persist. Then check font size and custom zoom levels because a large font can mimic zoom. Reduce values gradually and test pages between changes to confirm the effect. Finish with advanced fixes and a single troubleshooting tip so you can recover if problems persist. If zoom persists, reset Chrome settings via Settings Reset and Clean Up to remove hidden overrides. This preserves bookmarks but returns UI defaults. Also check your operating system display scale, Windows display settings, or Mac OS display scaled, as OS scaling affects Chrome's perceived zoom. If nothing works, create a new Chrome profile or reinstall after exporting bookmarks and passwords. If that fails, test another browser to isolate OS versus Chrome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.